this video, I'll show how to merge multiple Mixamo animations into a single model using QtMeshEditor. We just move the files, drag and drop, select the animation that we want to merge, and hit merge animation. We can also rename the animations to match our engine name conventions. So we can call this one jog, and this one jump, and this one climb, and this other one just hit, and then we have all the animations, rename it, and we can play with it to see how it's working. You can see it from different angles. Select different animations so we can make sure it's all working well. Yeah, as we can see, all working as supposed to. We can also look at the skeleton, make sure that all the bones are there as they're supposed to, and also to see how it's hidden, so that show the weights. So yeah, you can make sure that it's all working as it's supposed to. Then we can go back to Mixamo, download a different animation, and add it to our model. So we can just drag and drop there, select it, and merge it again. So now we have this extra animation added to our model. We can give it a proper name, and that's it. We can keep doing this over and over. Enjoy different animations to our model. QtMeshEditor is a free and open source software. You can check the link in the description. You can download it and give it a try.